lovely units and ready to move in, located in a quiet location and close to university. It must be at D'Vieng Santitham. Hello everyone, you are here with me, Noon Perfect Home. Today I am going to show you a lovely apartment. It's provided size 37.55 square meter, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. This condominium is fully furnished and ready to move in at D'Vieng Santitham Condominium, Chiang Subdistrict, Mueang District, Chiang Mai Province. This condominium, I will separate it to 3 parts. Part 1 is will be living area with a dining area, and the second part is will be sleeping area and the bathroom, and the third part is will be cooking area. Let's start with the living area. This lovely living is come with big window, and it has got 1 air conditioner, comfy sofa. The curtain is also the blind curtain and block out the sun. And this furniture is also matching with the other furniture in this unit, the shelf with the TV stand. And right next to this one, this is a dining area. You maybe want to cut it half, change the table to a smaller size so that the unit will look bigger. And it's come with this lovely shelf as well. And right behind me, this is a shoe cabinet, and this is the main entrance. There are 3 ways to access to this apartment. One is the actual key, and the second one is the password, and the third one is the key card. So let's start to this part first. This is bedroom. This bedroom is really spacious. It has come with all you need, like bed, mattress, 1 air conditioner, big window with the blind and the curtain, and the wardrobe is also matching with the other furniture here, with a dressing table here. And right behind me, this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So let's go check it out. This bathroom is quite big. It has come with the sink, big mirror here with the toilet, and it's also got the curtain that it will separate from the shower area and the dry area. Now let's go check the kitchen area. This kitchen area is connected from living area. It's got this glass sliding door that will separate when you cook, so you just close this door. This lovely kitchen area has come with all you need. Big refrigerator, kitchen countertop, matching with this cabinet, and this area you also can add an electric stove with the hood. Next to this one, this is the sink with 1 faucet here, and this space you can add maybe like the coffee maker or the kettle, and it's even come with this microwave. And right next to this one, which I think is convenient, is to have your own washing machine. And this area is connect to the balcony area where you can hang the clothes, and it's got a glass sliding door. You can just leave it open to get the fresh air or to release out all the smell from your cooking. Really convenient. And right behind me, this is the facility of the D'Vieng Santitham Condominium. This outdoor swimming pool is really large. It has separated the kid area and adult area. And that building that is kind of like Lana style, that is a fitness center for all residents. This condominium is also got a little pavilion for all residents to relax during the daytime and nighttime. Not just that, this condominium has provided 24-hour security, and it has got a CC camera system all around the building and inside the building. And you will need a face scan to access to the building. And the parking lot is really large and enough for all residents. So what do you think about this condominium? You can share your thoughts and comment below. Before I end this video, this unit had offered 37.55 square meter. It's a fully furnished, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. And to get to this condominium is really easy. There are many ways to get here, but let's start from Maya Lock South Shopping Mall. Just get on the road 1004, like you toward to the old town for 1.3 kilometers. And then you turn left to Hussadhisawee Road for 850 meters. You will see Hussadhisawee Soy 6. Just turn right there for 15 meters. You will see Hussadhisawee Soy 9, and you will see D'Vieng Santitham just on your left hand side. D'Vieng Santitham has located in very quiet area, and is close to all amenities like Siriwattana Fresh Market, Ratchapat University, and the Old Town, and close to Chiang Mai Ram Hospital as well. Very short drive to Chiang Mai International Airport. So for more information, please comment or call me at this number. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a great property from us. I'll see you next time. Bye.